Sim. Sabes, estive este tempo todo à procura de qual é que seria a melhor forma de contar esta história, mas na verdade acho que é só simplesmente deixar acontecer.
With the twilight, with the twilight. I've been thinking about what I believe in, drowning, trying to swim but the ship is sinking. Oh, please pull me out of the waves. I've been looking for something to stop the bleeding, but nothing.
Primeira vez que estou a falar para o vlog. Estamos aqui no Fisherman. Isto é muito bonito. Lina!
How low can I bend till I break? All I know is I can't carry this no more. So how low? I've been thinking about just up and leaving. Can't seem to open the door cause my nerve is fleeting.
Conclusão. Aqui todas as ruas são bonitas. Portanto não vale a pena guardar o telemóvel. Isto é tudo bonito. Estamos muito felizes.
Have I been like this all my life? How long till I'm out of this place? How low can I bend till I break? All I know is I can't carry this no more. So how low? Nowhere to reach out, nowhere to run now. Oh, I feel it right now. Nowhere to run now. Oh, nowhere to reach out, nowhere to run now. You're good at crosswords, that's gotta count for something. A face like August is warm, but I don't trust it. And on a good day, like today, I'd keep busy. No, I'm accustomed to loving you. A fish out of water. You talk with all your friends about something important. I smile and half understand it, but they're all pretentious and you're sincere, way beyond your years. You make me wanna be better. I wonder, can I just steal a bit of your treasure? I'd lay a while and you could talk about the weather.
Está diferente.
'Cause I'm just too in love to see how bad it is.
Não fecha a cor.
Os olhos, basicamente, é a carne cozinhada de todo.
Mas é bem boa.
You're a bad drive.
Estás na boca.
Taste test.
Something always brings me back to the sound of your slide guitar. Sends my mind to the stars. Somewhere we chose different paths. Now we're orbiting away, but I never got the chance to say I'm sorry for lack of closure. We just don't know each other like we thought we did. But I might have to admit, and now I'm counting laps around the sun. Couldn't take the heat, and we came undone with my eyes closed. You're still somewhere in the fake cold. Now I'm on Venus, you're on Mars, and I don't know how we got so far when we were so close. Hope I see you in the cosmos. We could have been something great, but we never got quite aligned. Maybe in the next lifetime, we both have ourselves to blame, and not just each other. To
Vamos o quê? Sim.
Vou seguir essa. Tu vais 4 vezes.
Isto é difícil de sem isso. Especialmente quando não sabes o que é que estás a fazer. Enfim, ao menos estou a tentar. Pode não ser o melhor, mas.
stuck in a hard place, it's better in control. What am I waiting for? Feet planted beneath my compass, my transport.
Hoje é a nossa última noite aqui. Amanhã temos que nos preparar para ir e não estou a saber lidar. Foi tão bom. Foi tão bom.